And there is a lot of reaction from people over a leaked Supreme Court opinion on abortion rights.
An initial draft that was first reported by Politico. 12 News' Tal Ta is live at the Jackson Women's Health Organization with reaction from both sides of the highly charged issue. Tal?
Well, it's a much quieter scene today at Mississippi's only abortion clinic, the so-called Pink House, just a day after a draft opinion that suggested the Supreme Court would rule in favor of Mississippi's attempt to ban most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. The leaked draft opinion by Justice Samuel Alito clearly describes his thoughts on Roe as egregiously wrong from the start and continued backlash against the subsequent 1992 decision, Planned Parenthood versus Casey.
Obviously, it was not expected. We were shocked at the timing, but not necessarily that shocked at the content.
The impact of the expected ruling could potentially end federal protection of abortion rights, essentially overturning the landmark Roe v. Wade decision.
To all women who choose not to have it, I mean, that's their opinion.
We also believe this breach was a travesty. It was an attack on our democracy, on our republic, on our freedom.
President Joe Biden calling the leaked draft opinion radical. If the court overturns Roe, many conservative states have indicated they would outlaw nearly all abortions.
Pink House defenders our services will no longer be needed. Which, you know, in the long run, that was what we wanted. But what we wanted it to be was the protesters went away, and this could be normal health care like it should be, and then we wouldn't be needed anymore. Unfortunately, that's not the reason we won't be needed anymore.
Back in December, the Supreme Court listened to oral arguments over Mississippi's abortion law that would ban most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy.
Everyone's out there in the pro-choice world is talking about the 17 safe states, you know, where people are going to be able to go get abortion. So obviously they've never been to Mississippi.
The court is expected to hand down its ruling in the closely watched case in Dobbs sometime in the next 2 months.
It's not their fault or whatever they're going through. So it just, I mean, that's their fault. I mean, that's their choice to choose or do whatever they want with their body.
Well, it's stressed that the language in the draft is so important as well. Now, votes on cases like this, in closely watched cases like in the Dobbs case, could change as well as in many high-profile cases. Live in Jackson, Tal Ta, 12 News.